Welcome back, friends. In our last class we have discussed about animate effects, or you can say animation. So just launch this in Chrome to see the result. So this is the result you can see, and here inside this class we will just discuss about something is called CSS. Instead of this animate, you can use CSS also to create an animation. So in our last class I have just forgot to tell about this, and I'm just going to remove this second part, and here in the first part I'm just going to use, instead of this animate, I'm just writing here .css, and here inside this curly braces the rule is single quotation, then colon, then single quotation. It means you need to just write the property inside the single quotation and the value also single quotation. For example, background should be orange color. For separating you are using comma, again single quotation. Text color should be again something like green, and font size you can use font dash size, you can say something like 28 pixel or 22 pixel, and just here instead of mouse enter you can use click, you can use mouse move, Control S to save. Just come here and refresh, just click on this, you can see the background color is orange, the text color is green, and the font size is changed into for example 22 pixel. So you can see, and you can just use multiple properties here. Just with the comma you can separate and use single quotation, colon, another single quotation. So for example, you can give a width for this. Width should be something like 400 or 500 pixel. Control S, refresh, click on this, you can see, again refresh, click on this, like this. So it was just about CSS, that instead of animate we can use CSS also. So this class we are just going to end the effects. So just watch all the videos and do practice. Have a nice time and see you.